The Nano Sparkle Cloth Car Scratch Remover is making big promises to erase scratches, restore your car's shine, and even protect the paint. It's being marketed as an easy to use product that requires no tools or skills. But does it actually deliver? Let's dive into what this product claims and, more importantly, what real users have to say about it. The product claims to use nanotechnology to remove scratches and oxidation from your car's surface. It's reusable for up to 20 times if stored properly and is even said to work on dashboards, door panels, and glass. It's priced between $10 to $15. On paper, this seems like a convenient and affordable solution for car owners. However, when it comes to real-world use, the reviews paint a different picture. One user reported, "This product doesn't remove even small scratches, works like any disposable rag, and is a waste of money. Before and after photos would look identical." Another customer mentioned, "There's no chemical or special material in this cloth, it's just a normal rag." Many users found no results after trying it on minor scratches. The cloth seemed to clean the surface, but did nothing to repair or hide the scratches, as shown in promotional videos. The company behind this product has also faced backlash. Their official website reportedly received hundreds of negative reviews, and it's now down. Some users even warned that improper use of the cloth could worsen the car's finish, making the damage more noticeable. In summary, while the Nano Sparkle cloth makes impressive claims, real customer experiences tell a different story. It doesn't seem capable of removing scratches as advertised, and many have called it a simple cloth with no special properties. For reliable car scratch repairs, traditional methods or professional help remain the better choice. Not every product that goes viral lives up to its hype. When it comes to your car, it's always best to invest in trusted solutions. Be cautious of products that sound too good to be true.